How to fix voicemail notification not working in Samsung Galaxy A36. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and then scroll down in last and click on do not disturb. Now here you can turn off your do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off do not disturb, then go back and click on notifications and app notifications. Now here you can allow your text message notifications. After allow all the notifications, then go back and scroll down and click on general management. Now click on reset, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.